Question 76. Which of the following is or are true in context of abatement? A says to B, I intend to kill C. B says, do as you like. A kills C. B is guilty of abatement, instigation, abatement to murder, none of the above. Answer is D, none of the above. Question 77. The offence of adultery is bailable, non-cognizable, compoundable, all of the above. Answer is D, all of the above. Question 78. A picks up a check on the banker signed by B, payable to bearer, but without any sum having been inserted in the check. A frequently fills up the check by inserting the sum of 10,000 rupees. A is guilty of criminal misappropriation, fraud, cheating, forgery. Option D is right, forgery. Question 79. In case of free fight between two parties, the right to private defense is available to both the parties. Right to private defense is available to individual against individual. No right to private defense is available to either party. Right to private defense is available only to one party. Option C is right. No right to private defense is available to either party. Question 80. A takes a camera belonging to B out of possession of B without the consent of B, with the intention of keeping it until he gets a reward from B for its restoration. A is guilty of criminal misappropriation, extortion, theft, cheating. Answer is theft. Question 81. Under the general principle of criminal law, the jurisdiction to try a person for an offence depend upon a person, a place where such person is found, place where crime is committed within the local area, the nationality of the offender, none of the above. Answer is B, where the place where the crime is committed within the local area. Question 82. A finds a government promissory note belonging to Z bearing a blank endorsement. A, knowing that the note belonging to Z, pledges it with a banker as a surety for a loan, intending at the future time to restore it to Z. A has committed an offence of cheating, criminal breach of trust, dishonest misappropriation of property, mischief. Answer is C, criminal misappropriation of property. Question 83. Which of the following is a ceremony without the performance of which a Hindu marriage is considered null and void? Kanyadan, Saptapadi, Sindurdan, none of the above. Answer is D, none of the above. Question 84. For the desertion to qualify as a ground for divorce under the Hindu Marriage Act, intention to desert is a necessary condition, a sufficient condition, neither necessary or sufficient condition, none of the above. Answer is A, a necessary condition. Question 85. Study the following statement and pick up the right option from the codes given below. Statement 1. Voluntarily sexual intercourse outside the wedlock is a ground for the judicial separation as well as the divorce under the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Statement 2. Apart from being sued for divorce or judicial separation, a spouse having a voluntarily sexual intercourse outside the wedlock is also punishable under section 497 of Indian Penal Code. As such, this act necessarily amounts to adultery. Codes are: only statement 1 is true, only statement 2 is true, both first and second statement are true, neither one nor second is true. Answer is A, only statement 1 is true. Question 86. In Islamic law, a bequest to an heir cannot be made at all, can be made subject to the consent of other heirs, can be made without the consent of other heirs, can be made if the senior most heir permits. Answer is B. Can be made subject to the consent of other heirs. Question 87. Under the Dissolution of Muslim Marriage Act, a woman can seek divorce from her husband if he is impotent at the time of marriage, if he continues to be impotent after marriage. Both A and B, impotency is not at all a ground for divorce under the SAD Act. Answer is C. Both B and C. Question 88. Agnate is a person who is related by blood or adoption through males and females both, wholly through males, wholly through female, none of the above. Answer is B. Wholly through males. Question 89. Under Section 20 of Hindu Succession Act 1956, the rights of the child born in gesto matrimonium have a reference to moment of conception, moment of birth, either A or B, whichever is beneficial to child, none of the above. Answer is A. Moment of conception. Question 90. Under Section 20 of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956, a Hindu is bound to maintain aged parents, legitimate children, illegitimate children, all of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. Question 91. Which of the following disentitle a Hindu woman from the right to maintenance and separate residence from her husband? Conversion, unchastity, remarriage, all of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. 92. Study the following statement and pick up the right code. Statement 1. The power of the High Court to issue the writs under Article 226 is wider than the power of the Supreme Court under Article 32. Statement 2. The Supreme Court has the power to issue the writs only for the violation of the fundamental rights, whereas the power of the High Court under Article 226 can be invoked for the enforcement of fundamental rights as well as the legal rights. Codes. Statement 1 is correct, but the statement 2 is incorrect. Statement 2 is correct, but statement 1 is incorrect. Both statements are correct, but the statement 2 does not justify statement 1. Both statements are correct and the statement 2 justifies statement 1. Answer is D. Question 93. The doctrine of colorable legislation means one cannot do indirectly what cannot be done directly. A legislation should not be colored with the malice. The intention behind every legislation should be clear, and the legislation should be interpreted in such a manner as that the noble end is reached. The answer is option A. One cannot do indirectly what cannot be done directly. Question 94. This match the equation with list 1 to list 2. Its answer is B. We write first Keshavananda Bharati versus Union of India with X 1973. Indira Nehru Gandhi versus Raj Narayan 1975. Minerva Mills case is 1980. State of Bihar versus Bal Mukund Shah 2000. Question 95. The pardoning power given to the President of India under the Article 72 of the Constitution can be exercised only after the trial and on the sentence of conviction, during and after the trial, but never before the trial, at any time before, during or after the trial, either before or after the trial, but never during the trial of the case. Answer is A. Only after the trial and on the sentence of conviction. Question 96. The enforcement of directive principles of the state policy primarily depend on the choice of government, judiciary, parliamentary committee, resources available with the government. Answer is D. Resources available with the government. Question 97. Sovereignty under Constitution belongs to the President, the people, the executive, judiciary and legislature, the parliament. Answer is B. The people. Question 98. The power of the parliament to form a new states or alteration of the areas and the boundaries is drawn from List 1 Union list only, List 3 concurrence, List also the Constitution other than Article 246, last is none of the above. Answer is C. The Constitution other than Article 246. Question 99. The power of the President of India to issue an ordinance is executive power, legislative power, constituent power or quasi-judicial power. Answer is B. It's a legislative power. Question 100. No person can be dismissed or removed from the service or reduced in rank without holding an inquiry on the ground of conduct which had led to his conviction on the criminal charge if he is preferred any appeal against such conviction, his sentence has been stayed in pending appeal, his conviction and sentence both has been stayed in pending appeal, none of the above. Answer is D. None of the above.